All right, here at Northeast Factory Direct, I'm Allie Clifton. And if you've ever bought furniture, mattresses, hot tubs, or even kitchen cabinets from a big retail store, you're gonna kick yourself. If you're in the market for these big ticket items and you would like to buy them for about half the price you would at a big retail store, you gotta come on in and check out Northeast Factory Direct. Come on in. Now standing inside Northeast Factory Direct's giant warehouse located on West 140th Street, I'm joined by the owner, Alex Nemeth. Alex, so many great things here. What do you got in store?
We have high-end hot tubs, kitchen cabinets, granite, flooring, furniture. We have bedrooms, dining rooms, sectionals, theater seating, pretty much anything for inside or outside of your house.
You name it, you got it. Now the kicker is what you get here, you can get it for half the price you would at a big retail store. How?
Well, we buy everything by the truckload. We don't have a fancy place. Our rent here is a tenth of what it would be in a high rent retail district, and we just pass that savings along.
And what's even more intriguing is the story. How did this get started?
You know, it started out of my roommate's garage over 10 years ago with one fancy dining room set. And now we're in a bigger garage.
Now I said intriguing story, but what's probably even better, the prices. What are some comparisons?
You could get a 6-person hot tub here that would normally cost $7,000, $8,000 for $3,900. You can get a 10-piece cherry bedroom set that would normally cost $4,000 or $5,000 for $1,700. And the kitchen cabinets, that's where it's a home run. With all the bells and whistles, solid wood, dovetailed drawers. I'm saving people tens of thousands on cabinets, and that really makes us feel good.
And for your customers, how do they take advantage? No membership fees, correct?
No, they can just come right in or go to our website, which is northeastfactorydirect.com.
It's as simple as that. I don't know about you guys, but I know where I'm furnishing my next home, right here at Northeast Factory Direct.